Hello, this is Mike Lively from Northern Kentucky University, and today we're going to talk about a wonderful piece of audio recording software called Audacity. Now, the great thing about Audacity is that it is free, and you can find it by Googling it on the web, Audacity, or by typing in the address audacity.sourceforge.net. Now, once you're on that home page, go to Download. Click on the Download tab, and in our case, we're downloading the Windows version, so click on Windows. And go to the installer. And you want to go ahead and download that executable and then click on it. And it works just like any other executable does. You just go through the install process. And now, once you've installed it, an important thing to say is that Audacity will not at this point create MP3s, which you want for your multimedia work. It'll only create WAV files for you. So let me show you how to create MP3s. Creating MP3s requires another download. Here we are back on the Audacity download page. And what we want to do is download a second piece of software which will enable us to export MP3s from Audacity. And that is called Lame MP3 Encoder. So go ahead and click on that. And this takes you to a page on how to download and install Lame MP3 Encoder. So in the first step, there's a link Lame download page. Let's click on that. And we're just going to go ahead and click on the first Audacity for Windows. And let's install this in our documents file. Now it went to my desktop, so I'm first going to unzip it. And now that it's unzipped, I'm going to take that and drop that into My Documents. Now, you don't have to put it in My Documents. You can actually put it anywhere. I'm just putting it there to keep it out of the way of the desktop, which I often put things on and delete from my desktop. I don't want to delete this folder. A lot of people who use this also put this in the Audacity folder as well, which I think is probably a good idea. But just for convenience, I'm going to stick it here in My Documents. Now you're almost done. What's going to happen is the first time you create a file and you try to export it as MP3, Audacity is going to ask you, where is that folder? When you click on it, then you'll be able to export MP3s. Let me show you how that works. I've already created a file in Audacity. Let's bring that up. And in the next video tutorial, I'll show you how to actually use Audacity. But this is already pre-recorded.
Princess, lovelier than gold. Carlotta is a heartbeat, beautifully untold.
This is a poem that I first created for my wife when we first met, and I want to export that as an MP3. So let's go ahead and say save, and here's that a message right there. And what it's asking me is, hey, where is that Lame encoder? So yes, let's search for it. I'm going to navigate to wherever I put it. In this case, I put it in My Documents. There's my Lame file. I'm going to click on it and hit OK. And now Audacity is ready to import to MP3. That's fantastic. And that's how easy it is to install Audacity and to put in that MP3 encoder. So thanks a lot for watching. And in the second part of this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use Audacity.